So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the custom Steam profile now, URL now. In order to get that, just simply click on your username on the Steam top section. Once you click over there, just simply right click anywhere on the screen, and you can easily copy the URL from here. Now, if you want to customize that URL, click on this option of edit profile. Inside the edit profile, when you scroll down, you'll see this option of custom URL. Now you can customize it like anything you want. You can type anything inside this, and you can easily add that as your URL. Now here you can see your Steam ID will look something like this. Like if I type this as a sample, you can see the Steam ID have been changed. So you can customize your URL from here as per your need, or you can have it as if the URL is available, it will be assigned to your account.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.